Welcome students to the online class of computer application for class 10th. Last we had studied about the operators, okay? Operators in Java. What do you understand by that operators in Java? The data value that can store and use in our program are processed as given instructions. Various types of operations that can be carried out on the data values and then they can be carried out and represented by operators, and Java provides a wide range of operators. See, operators are special symbols that perform specific operation on 1, 2 or 3 operands and returns a result. The operators in the following table are given in precedence order. The closer on the top of the table of an operator appears. It means that it provides a wide range of operators. First, just I will explain you and just will go through the table also. Arithmetic operators. They are positive, negative, multiplication, division and remainder calculation. Second, increment, decrement operators. They are increment operators and decrement operators that increment or decrement a number. These operators, however, work in two forms, prefix form and postfix forms. Here, see, postfix, expression, double plus and expression, okay. When used in prefix forms, it allows the following rule, change then use. That is, first the variable value is incremented or decremented and then used in the expression. When used in prefix form, it follows the rule change then use. That is, first the variable value is incremented or decremented then used in expression. Unary, okay, multiplicative, additive, shift, relational, equality, bitwise and bitwise exclusive or bitwise inclusive or logical and logical or ternary, okay, assignment. So these are the some operators which we are using, okay. Now relational operators. So these operators also sometimes called comparison operators. Compare the value of two variables. Logical operators. These operators are used to combine two or relational expressions. Shift operators. A shift operator perform bit manipulation on data shifting from first operand to another. Yeah, left to right. In general purpose programming, certain operators tend to appear more frequently than theirs. For example, the assignment operator equal is far more common than the unsigned right shift operators. Okay, so these are the some operators which we are using there. An expression. Expression is a construct made up of variables, operators and method invocation, which are constructed according to syntax of the language. That is, here a equal to 0, array 0 equal to 100, system dot out println element 1 at index in result. Okay, so like that values we can. Expression depends on the elements which are used in expressions. The expression a equal to 0 returns an integer because assignment operator returns a value of the same data type as its left hand operand. In this case, we can return other value of as well as boolean or string. For example, we can take an example, see, x plus y divided by 100. See, you can specify exactly how an expression will be evaluated using balanced parentheses, writing the expression as x plus y, okay. Unambiguous recommended. If you do not ambiguity indicate the order for the operation to be performed, the order is determined by pre-decide. Then operators that have high precedence get evaluated first. For example, the division operators has a higher precedence than does the addition operators. Therefore, the two statements are equivalent. X plus y divided by 100, x plus y divided by 100. When writing compound expression, it can be indicated with parentheses. Okay, now, so these are the some operators. You should remember some operators. Operators precedence determine the order in which sub expressions are evaluated in the expressions. Okay, now control statements. If statement, the generally form of if statement. Here, each statement may be single statement or a compound statement that can be denoted in a curly brackets. The condition is any expression that returns a boolean value, and condition is true, then statement 1 is executed, otherwise statement 2 is executed. if else statement. The general form of the if statement is if condition statement 1, else statement 2. The if then else statement provides a secondary path of execution when if clause evaluates to false. Void apply breaks function if is moving current speed, else system dot println the bicycle has already stopped. So we can use this one if else statement, if condition statement 1 or else statement 2. Now the switch statement. Unlike if then else, the switch statement also allows any number of possible execution paths. A switch works with byte, short, character and integer primitive data types. It also works with unenumerated types. You can say for the example, we are taking a program, display the name of the month, okay, based on the value of month using the switch statement. Class switch demo, public static void main, integer month 8 switch month. Case was system.out print January break, February break, March break, April break, May break, June break, July break, August break, September break, October break, November break, December break, and last default invalid month. So when we are giving this one, so the body of the switch statement is known as switch block. Any statement immediately contained by the switch block may be labeled with one or more cases or labeled default labels. So the switch statement evaluates its expression and execute with proper cases. Okay, so these are the some operators and expressions which we had studied today, and the next we will study the while and do while statement.